Good morning, guy. I'm Bo again. Today I am at Marigo Flower because I'm going to take you to make Marigo tea. Let's do it. สวัสดีค่ะโบอยู่กับดอกดาวเรืองยามเช้านะคะ วันนี้จะพาทุกท่านไปทำชาดาวเรืองกัน รอช้าอะไรคะ ไปกันเลย First of all, you have to come to harvest marigold flower. This side still young, and this side okay. ก่อนแรกเลยเราก็ต้องมาตัดดอกดาวเรืองก่อนนะคะ ขนาดของดอกดาวเรืองเนี่ยอันนี้ยังเล็กไปดอกอันนี้เป็นดอกที่น่าจะใช้ได้แล้วก็ไปทำขั้นตอนต่อไปเลยค่ะ then go to next step raining so my marigold still not dry good Number 4 that I dry. Actually, they should dry out only 3 days, but we have a rain. So when have a rain, I take him to under my house roof because when I dry them I have to put them very upper very high so the mosquito oh no not mosquito the ant not bother them so that one more still not dry good need more one day this one tomorrow is okay to pack it and this one too my marigo tea is 5 day already so now it's dry good I will show you clearly it dry good and I have one there here and here so I'm waiting for the package the bag then I will pack it and send for my friend to taste them then to know the feedback how the tea is taste like time to make a tea now this the tea I add some pigeon wings they call the flower or butterfly pea this but it dry everything dry you put in the grass then you add hot water let them working about 5 minutes and it's time okay now you cannot see clearly so I will change in the so you can see how the color they are this is the color of the tea it's still hot so easy to make it marigo tea come to have marigo tea with me it tastes a little bit plain but if someone like natural like to feel the real of the marigo it's good choice for you to choose organic marigo tea I hope you enjoy it with the video that I start to harvest until I can make marigo tea to drink if you like it please give a thumb up and feel free to leave comment below I hope to hear from you and I enjoy to reply and discuss everything together and stay safe and be healthy hope to see you in the next video bye bye สวัสดีค่ะ